How do you see the entire command history in interactive Python? I'm working on the default Python interpreter on macOS X, and I see MD+K cleared my earlier commands. I can go through them one by one using the arrow keys. But is there an option like the history option in Bash shell, which shows you all the commands you've entered so far?
Use redline.get_current_history_length to get the length, and redline.get_history_item to view each.
Code for printing the entire history. Python 3. One-liner, quick copy and paste. Or longer version. Python 2. One-liner, quick copy and paste. Or longer version. Note, get_history_item is indexed from 1 to n.
With Python 3 interpreter, the history is written to ~python_history.
If you want to write the history to a file, the help function gives
If you want to do a